Hey, welcome to our channel. Super excited to have you here. My name is Kyle Oliveira, and me and my wife want to start this channel so we can educate you guys about Kangen water and why it's super important and would be super beneficial for you and your family, like it has impacted me and my wife. And we're super excited to share with you eventually our story and how Enagic has impacted us and Kangen water. So Enagic is our company, and we're headquartered in Japan. And we've been around for over 45 years already, and we're in over 177 countries, so we've impacted so many families all across the globe. And now we just want to bring it further to more people and why we want to start this channel. And now, as far as families, we also impact a lot of businesses as well and work with a lot of business owners in many different industries. So we're like in the restaurant space, we're in the spas and salons, we deal with professional athletes and a lot of trainers and gyms, agriculture, clinics, dental clinics. I mean, the list goes on. There's so much. You guys will start to learn about that. So we want to share this info, and I want to bring in other professionals too in those different industries that I told you about, so you can learn from them and understand why they incorporated these units into their practice. And so if you're someone who really values their health, you and your family, definitely subscribe. And if you're someone also who is looking to maybe go green, then you're looking at it right here. This unit provides over 100 uses. So if you're wanting to cut chemical cleaners and stuff like that to give a safer environment in your home for your family, then you definitely want to subscribe as well. So stay tuned and keep an eye out on the next video, which is going to be the story, me and my wife's testimony on Kangen water. And as the videos keep coming, you'll start to realize how important this is and why you need to have one in your home. So definitely hit the notification bell as well.